Home protection spell. Today I want to talk about a very powerful and highly respected protection spell known as home protection spell. It is believed that this spell helps in creating a strong spiritual and energetic protection around your home, making the environment more safe, peaceful, and secure. According to traditional beliefs, your home is not just a building made of bricks and walls. It is a place where your family lives, where your children grow up, and where your daily life and energy are connected. Because of this, practitioners believe that it is very important to maintain a proper spiritual protection around the home. This spell is used with the intention of keeping the home protect from negative energies, harmful influences, and advantage spiritual interference. Many people believe that after the spell is performed, the house becomes surrounded by a protective shield that helps block negative vibrations from entering. According to traditional beliefs, harmful intentions and negative energetic attacks were believed to have less influence on a protected home. It is also said that witch like entities and other advantage spiritual forces are unable to enter the property when this spell is active. Ghost, Pret, Jinn, Pisach, and other malefic entities are traditionally believed to remain outside the boundary of the home. Many practitioners describe this spell as a complete spiritual security system for the house and its occupants. According to some traditions, even powerful dark forces, devils, and demons are believed to be unable to cross the protective barrier. The protective barrier created by this spell. This is one of the reasons why many sadhak considers it to be a very high level protection spell. When the home is protected, it is believed that people living inside can continue their daily life with more confidence and peace of mind. The family members are believed to remain safe from harmful spiritual influences and negative energetic disturbance. Especially when we talk about small children, many traditions consider them to be more sensitive to negative energies and unwanted influences. For this reason, a large number of practitioners use this spell for the spiritual protection of their children. It is believed that this spell helps keep children away from harmful influences and malefic intentions. This spell is often used as a preventive measure before any negative situation has a chance to develop. A important group of peoples who are often advised to use this spell are those who practice magic spell work, occult studies, or spiritual sadhanas. When any type of spiritual work is being performed, practitioners often prefer to create a safe and controlled environment first. This protection spell is believed to help in maintaining such a safe space. According to many practitioners, it helps prevent advantage entities for negative interference from disturbing the spell work. When a sadhak feels safe and secure, he or she can devote full attention to the sadhana without distraction or fear. This allows the practitioner to work with greater focus, better concentration, and more confidence. Many people who learn this spell do not limit it to their own homes. It is also common for practitioners to perform this protection spell for other people's houses as a spiritual service. In such cases, a fee or service charge may be taken for the time, knowledge, and effort involved in performing the spell. Because of its reputation for strong protection, this spell has become very powerful among many sadhak and spiritual practitioners. If you are someone who wishes to learn the complete process, the method, the rituals, and the full protection system behind this spell, you can seek guidance from experienced practitioners. The training fees for learning this spell is $511. When many people compare this cost to the peace of mind, confidence, and sense of security they are seeking for their home and family, they feel that the value of the knowledge is far greater than the amount paid. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this information interesting and valuable. See you in the next video.